What if I told you there's a tool out there that can write essays code like a pro brainstorm million-dollar ideas, and even help you get a job all in seconds? You don't need to be a tech genius, you just need to know how to unlock it. This is your beginner's guide to ChatGPT, the AI assistant that's rewriting the future. Stick around because by the end of this video you'll know how to use ChatGPT smarter than 90% of users online. Alright, let's start with the basics. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot created by OpenAI. It's trained on billions of texts from the internet, so it understands and generates superhuman-like responses. But it's not just for chatting, think of it as a productivity powerhouse. From writing content to solving math problems to acting like your personal tutor, ChatGPT is like having Google Grammarly and a research assistant rolled into one. So, how do you actually get started? Just head over to chat.openai.com, sign up for a free account or log in if you've already got one. You can use your email, Google, Microsoft, Apple, or even your phone number, super easy for beginners. And once you're in, you can start using the free version right away. If you want the most powerful version, GPT-4, there's a paid plan called ChatGPT Plus. Now let's unlock some real ChatGPT power. Here are 5 killer prompts to boost your ChatGPT game instantly. 1. Act like a personal coach. Help me create a productivity plan. 2. Summarize this YouTube video in 3 key points. 3. Generate 10 YouTube video ideas based on trending topics. 4. Explain quantum computing like I'm 12 years old. And 5. Write a professional email to request a job referral. And here's a pro tip: you can tweak the tone, style, or depth just by adding commands like make it more casual or add humor. Seriously, the possibilities are endless. But hold up, it's not perfect. ChatGPT can sometimes give outdated info, especially in the free version, since it doesn't access the internet live. So, always double check facts and use it as a smart assistant, not your final answer. One more tip: add context. The more specific your prompt, the better the results you'll get. Alright, now that you've unlocked the basics, go try it out and watch how fast your life levels up. Hit like if you learned something new. Drop your favorite ChatGPT prompt in the comments, we might feature you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI hacks that give you the edge. The future belongs to those who prompt it well.